Hello everyone, this is Habiba from Maths Tutorial. Today we will be learning how to solve exponential equations. In my previous video, I have explained ways of solving this particular topic. So if you haven't watched it yet, I will recommend you to watch my previous video and then to come to this. I think it will help you to understand this chapter even more. I will give you the link in my description box. So let's get started. It is 5 into 2 power x equal to 2 into 4 power x plus 2. Then 5 into 2 power x equal to 2 into 2 power x. I am making it 2 power x whole square. 4 power x, it is 2 power x whole square plus 2. And in this step I will take 2 power x as y. I am writing it that 2 power x equal to y to make the line simple and to solve easily. That is 5 into y equal to 2y square plus 2. Now the line has become the simplest form to solve by factorizing, or it is 2y square plus 2. Sorry, I will write minus 5y at first and then plus 2 equal to 0, or I am now factorize the middle one, so it will be 2y square minus 4y minus y plus 2 equal to 0, and then it is 2y will be outside of the bracket, then inside of the bracket that there will be y minus 2, and then 1 will be outside of the bracket and inside of the bracket, that will be same y minus 2 equal to 0, and then it is 2y minus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. And now when 2y minus 1 equal to 0, then 2y equal to 1, and now y equal to half, and we know y equal to 2 power x, then it is 2 power x equal to, it is half, that means 2 power negative 1, so it is x equal to negative 1. Because the bases are same on both sides of the equation, so in this stage we can ignore the base and make the equation with the exponent, that is x equal to minus 1, that is the subject. And again another one is y minus 2 equal to 0, then it is y equal to 2, then 2 power x equal to 2, it is only 2, that's why 2 power 1 we can take it, so x equal to 1. So the answer will be x equal to 1, negative 1, 1 and negative 1. Here is another example for you. 9 power x plus 1 minus 28 into 3 power x plus 3 equal to 0. Now the powers were added together, that's why I just separated the base. 9 power x into 9 power 1 minus 28 into 3 power x plus 3 equal to 0. And now 3 power x whole square, 9 power x is turned into 3 power x whole square, that is 9 minus 28 into 3 power x plus 3 equal to 0. I am taking 3 power x as y in my next step. So the line will be y square, it is 9y square minus 28y plus 3 equal to 0. Now the step is ready for middle term factor, and that is 28. I will factorize 28, then it is 9 into 3 9 ja 27, and then it is, I am showing you here, it is negative 28, so 3 9 ja 27, so I will break it as minus 27 and minus 1, so it is 9y square minus 27y minus y plus 3 equal to 0. And now 9y common, y minus 3 minus 1 common, y minus 3 equal to 0. And now it is 9y minus 1 into y minus 3 equal to 0. So when 9y minus 1 equal to 0, then y equal to 1 by 9. We know y equal to 3 power x, 3 power x equal to 1 by 3 square. So 3 power x equal to 3 power negative 2, because it is 1 by 3 square. And now the bases are same in this stage, that's why I am writing x equal to minus 2 and ignore the bases. So it is x equal to negative 2, and again y minus 3 equal to 0, then y equal to 3, then 3 power x equal to 3 power 1, so it is x equal to 1. So the answer is x equal to negative 2 and 1. In today's class, I have shown you a couple of ways that how we can solve exponential equations step by step. I hope you all have understood everything. Don't forget to practice on your own. My next video is on simultaneous equations. So till then, stay tuned.